Listen, I came to my own, but my own disowned me. Oh well, angaconzi kubalisa. Lawo ke ngemavi akhe MK the Poet. Angubingela ngiphinze ngwemukele mbukelo lihlelo lakho lelithandzana elihamba embili eSwatini TV na 7 lonke nje Dandla nenkondlo. Lokubingelelako ke nguFortunate wakamabuza uyathi mazikusina sobona sisifuthi. Khona info leyendakalako man. Ngihlala ngotshela ukuthi yatekuseni. Wena yiba ngilosonkondlo ofisile kuba nguye. Ungasabi na ukuveta umsebenzi wakho eDandla wena ubhizi uthi hayi mina ngeke baze bangisupport. Hayi leti info letidlungela bamphaba amakhelwane. Hayibo kutibukela phansi. Angithandi mina mfeke ukuthi wena odibukele phansi. Anyways, mina ngithanda ukuthi bese mina nawe sesiyacabana sineke MK the Poet. Well, ngimukelo ke lo wakaSimelane utasicoceka kabanti ke ukuthi yena ofika njani la ekhaya labo Sonkondlo.
I came to my own, but my own disowned me. Yes, I'm speaking about the word of God, the call that was given unto us. Instead of appreciating it, we needed something else. Maybe the gods that you believe in are much stronger than the one that I serve, but whom I serve is bigger than those gods that you believe in. It's MK the Straps, the Poet.
Mbukelo ubukelo nahlelo lakho Dandla nenkondlo njengoba ngishide ekucane ukuthi sidaba esinayo Sonkondlo wethu sinaye ke Mukelo Simelane utasicoceka abantu ukuthi ngibani Mukelo ofika kanjani ka poetry. Mukelo, welcome to Dandla nenkondlo. Ngicabanga ukuthi over the moon.
Yeah, I'm over the mood. Bekusifiso sami kuba kuleli hlelo ever since I started doing poetry.
Okay.
Because this thing was my passion since Form 3.
Oh, since Form 3.
Yes, but I started reciting while I was doing Form 5 because I still wanted to find the voice behind this poetry thing.
Okay.
So now since I have the voice, I can recite. And I'm so fluent, I know.
Okay. Nema rhyme scheme akhona. Do you have a stage name?
Yeah, I do have a stage name.
Okay,
I
what's
go
your stage
by the
name?
one and only MK the Straps, meaning doing something to attain progress and success.
Okay. So luqalile kwenda poetry yakho udiva unjani wena?
I'm relieved in my spirit per se. Sometimes you usually feel as if this journey is something that is not profitable, but when you look back, you see that you are gaining something. You gaining followers, you gaining more people that listen to your poetry. So mingling with people is something that drives me, that makes me wanna continue and write.
Okay. All right. So now we are tipalela.
Yes,
no,
I write for myself.
Okay. Bese siya recite.
Then recite.
Okay. Usitwa ngubani na ubhala nje? Do you write bese soningeta lo munye Sonkondlo ukuthi akuproofreadele or uthi wena you know what, I don't want anyone to ruin my stuff?
There are some few people I usually give. There is Thabo Makwakwa Imbongi, and then there is Christian Mars. That's my mentor.
Okay.
Yes, I love that guy a lot.
Okay. Ekhaya uyayithola yini support leyenele to be the person that you are today?
I do get support from mom, from my dad, and my brothers. Those are my super fans because they always say, big up, bro. We want to see you on big screens one day.
Okay. That's
yes.
nice.
And my sister, the younger one, she always say, Mugala, I want to be like you. I want to be like you. And I'm like, relax, you will. You will.
Okay, ngiyeva ukuthi ekhaya uyayithola support le enough. Bangani bakho bakusupporta because sometimes you do need leyo backup ulengekho ekhaya, but la ngephandle utobona ukuthi bamfuna so recite mikwakho bato wenda kanjani.
Those are the people that drove my car to my destination because there was a time in school whereby I called myself a poet, but I couldn't get in stage and recite. And then they were like, you call yourself a poet, but you do not go on stage and recite for people. Why do you call yourself that? And that is the thing that drives me to stand up and pick up for myself. And then I come and recite. So they are the ones that made me wanna recite and people could see me. So yeah.
Okay, asostart nje sibekele langa lakho lekuqala ngcana ureciter wenda njani unasoqetha ukureciter kwendekani bamfu bathini?
On that day I was really nervous because it was on a test day during a prayer session at school. So when I went to stage, I first stammered before I recite. So they were like, we were listening, continue listening, and then I just came to my mother language where I recited in Siswati.
Nice.
That is when the crowd went crazy, and then they were like, we want more.
Okay.
Even the teachers in the school, they say, where have you been?
Oh my goodness.
Where have you been? Because this thing that you have is something deep. It's something that can heal many people. So please big up Mugelo. We want to hear more about it.
All right, Nyalo, so nagu waboni audience ungathi phakama kakhulu na recite ngeSiswati. Nyalo recite ngani? Ubhala ngesingisi noma uthi gcwagcwa naso Siswati.
I use both languages. Per se, I use English at least, and then Swati more.
Oh,
because
that's
that's where I'm fluent. I flow when I write in Siswati. I don't know why, but also English, I try to write in English but the rhyme scheme is not there per se in English, so it is in Siswati. Lona ke ngilomlayeto walomfatlo ngeshe. Lebe bane kumhleka goqa inkemane yenhlupheko. Uthi MK ubayekelelani badlale ngalo leligama. Hey, khumbula neba sendulo baliphatha ngatototi imbili baze balenda info yabo yekuphila imihla nemihla. Ingako letinengita letimbi bebakhona kutincoba. Oh, ngiyabona. Keja lesi ngilesitukulane sanamuhla lesinekwenta tintfo ngenamuhla sikhohlwe ngelikusasa lingaphuma lilanga. Konke lokwenteke ngebumnyama kuyavela nalo nalikhanya lilanga. Ngoba ngibo laba lebe banekufuna kufeza njengotabo ngebumnyama nase basitshela ukuthi ingubo lenzala ilala ngebantwana. Hey, asibuyele emuva emasisweni. Le nvithi ngakwangathi singayihlalela phasi siyithandazele kucala abantu abamake ngeMK Straps Imbo.
Solo uqalile ke emukelo kwentadona Tinkhondlo ngidiphi indzawo lothi na uhlete ekhaya uthi you know what nami ngiyativa ukuthi no MK the poet kilona like lo so recite khona indzawo maybe events noma lo ke waya khona bamfu bakubona ukuthi umukelo.
First, I haven't been in big events, but I've been in shows whereby I came in and they were like, oh, this is the guest artist, the poet we've been waiting for. And then I felt home. It was at Newton in church. So there was an event where they hosted a talent show, and then I was invited. And then, or sometimes they host Christian and he say, Mugelo, can you please go to this show and please stand for me? I won't be able to make it.
Okay.
So that's what encourages me sometimes, because I see that he also sees the passion I have for poetry.
Okay. So nabag invite nyalo kuma events uyakhona yini kubhala ngendlela lo mcimbi lo ngiyo noma uthona you know what mina ngidila ngema emotional poems. So angeke ngikhona ukubhala ngekujabula wenda kanjani?
I write about that certain event,
Okay.
but sometimes I come with my own poems.
Okay.
Because it's hard to write sometimes in that particular event about that particular event. Because sometimes you have to think and think and think. Definitely you don't come out with the things, so you just have to come with your own.
All right. So kunemngane etfukelo sibukela kwekhaya uyasho ukuthi hafusho uzowamfola Mugelo namuhla uyakhona yini kubasita labanye noma wena uthi no nami ngisathi ngalisito nebakithi from other poets ngeke ngize ngikhona kunisita.
I do help young upcoming poets because most of them, they come from my former school, Zombote National. They say, Mugelo, can you teach us? We've seen you, you've been here in school. How did you attain the voice behind you? And I always say, I don't usually go about numbers because numbers don't define who I am. What defines who I am is that certain person who gets that particular message in that certain poem I'm reciting about. Because when you can go with numbers, which means you are just doing nothing.
Exactly.
So I do help young upcoming poets. I teach them, I give them advice on how to push this journey. This journey, you just have to wear some big shoes and strive for greatness, because greatness is where we are going.
Okay.
Yes.
Labanye mavi longa bangetela kulokho lokucetha kusho in terms of kuba encourage. Some people be like, okay, mina I do post maybe bo Facebook lapho khona sicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakhona ngena khona, but uthola maybe 3 plays, 1 like. Everyone no, this thing is not for me. Ungamkhuthaza uthini?
I can say, you know, when I say I don't go about numbers, because when you can go with numbers, you can get hurt every time you try to go into that social media and see who watched this, because those numbers are the ones that pull us back and say, you know what I'm doing here, akusinje info yami, angiyeke ngoba vele ayingisidi. Le ngisho ukuthi ungayingeke ukuthi lo munye uthola inombolo letinganani wena uthola inombolo letinganani. This journey you just have to start it from the beginning. And naso itholile ke what you've just wanted to attain. Every time you will start to post, the numbers will start to shoot high. So kancane kancane beketela, cause le tinto tidzinga kwangathi ungabeketela kuqala. Tawube sesiyendeka the rest.
Okay. All right, wena timaketha kanjani Mbukelo? To give tips to umbukelo sibukelako, upcoming poet ekhaya.
I do shows for free for now.
Okay.
Cause I'm still not in that market value whereby I can charge that money. I go to events, so they pay me that certain amount they wish to pay me because we negotiate. So I market myself by reciting or telling them who am I. When I get to a certain event whereby I'm not invited, but I manage to enter, I tell them that I'm just a young upcoming poet. I wanna be in this industry per se and do more things about what poetry is about, what poetry is, especially what does it do in someone's life. So I just do that.
Okay, kahle kahle uthi nangabe ufuna ukuba ngisonkondlo, bamfu bakhona ukukunothisa bakusupport kumele uthathe emahloni wabeke eceleni.
Beke emahloni eceleni ngoba na ungaya ngemahloni ngeke ukhone ukudenda le tinto takho lofisa ukudenda. Fana nebamblese baphumelele. They bathathe emahloni bawabeke eceleni. But uyabona ke manje lento lesifuna kuyenda siyayiphakamela sibeke emahloni eceleni ngoba kudzinga kwangathi ungaqala urealize engcondweni ukuthi this thing I need. Kudzinga ukuthi ngisukume lapha sengilace up my boots and then I just strive for that goal.
Okay. Siseda ke sikusupporta Mbukelo, sikuthola kuphi, utholakala kanjani futhi?
Ngiyatholakala kuma social medias. TikTok I go by the name MK_Straps10. In Facebook I go by Malmema Nocha King Solar, but I also have a page. It's MK_Straps Poet. And I don't do IG. Per se the time will come, but I don't do IG. I'm just found in those two social medias. And my number is 78631092 for bookings per se. I don't charge. I just do for fun because I love this thing. Bese ilungile. Inkinga yabo bajaka kuhambisa emalungelo abo phambili kuqala. Yenhlonipho ke yona siyiteki. Ngibo baphuma ngemawindi ebusuku nababuye ekseni banconcotha ngemafastela. Hey MK, le ndvidzinga kwangathi singayihlalele emsamu ke lena siyikhulekele ngoba inhlonipho kulaba seyalahleka ngelizinga lelisetulu. Ngicinisile nami. Ngi-MK_Straps Poet.
Mbukelo wami, sonkondlo wami lapha ekhaya ngiyadibuta ngiyaphendvula ngawe ukuthi kepha liyeni lithemba lemumphu losabako kwenta dona tinkondlo. Liyeni lithemba lemumphu losolo yena tibalekela tandla nenkondlo. Singacabani. Kepha ke ungayinzawo ngoba siyakhona titolo wena lamantu akho lawo. Hlala nawo nathe wona ngayinzawo siyabuya. Mbukelo siyajabula ukuthi wena ukhethile ukuthi cha angiyinzawo ngidawuhlala nje la ngibukele dona tandla nenkondlo. Uyathi mase ukuthi la hlelweni sina sendelani phansi siyakulethana leyo lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla ngete kwalunga phela sesikulethela inkondlo nenkondlo. Ngeze kuhambe kahle nginamakhosazana Dlamini ke lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla utasicicaba bani ukuthi lo msebenzi wakhe wetandla lo wenda usukela ngani nje. Khosi, welcome to Tandla nenkondlo.
Yebo sisi ngiyabonga.
Umbukeli ke ufisile kwathi ukuthi unkhosi uchamuka kuphi?
Yebo ngimakhosazana kwaKaDlamini ngihlala embi kwakhe kuMathapha. Ngine umsebenzi wetandla ngicale kulomnyaka lophelile. Ngalokuthi ke besebenza emafemini then yavalwa ifema. So nayivalwa emafema bese abasasibiseli sonke. Bese sefuna ukubona ukuthi okay option B ngimuphi ke ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngiphile uyabona.
Okay.
Then ke ngathi ngihleli phasi ngabona ukuthi hayi asengeke ngifundzele umsebenzi wetandla. Ngahamba ngaya kaManzini lapha kaManzini trade market. Kunabosisi lapha lobakhanza kubahledi bafike ufike usho ukuthi ngicela kufunza ini bakuniketela lokufunza nafuna kwenta indlamu bayakwendisa indlamu imigaco emagcibesha kuningi ufike ukhethele ufuna ini wena.
Okay.
Then ngathi mina asengicale ngiligcebisha ngibuke lona ukuthi nangenda lona ke lingaphuma yini. Ngalenda kumelula ke kwenta ligcebisha nje. Phela kwenvele melula nami lengayibona lengiyatiko. Ngase sengiyakujabulela ngiyakuthanda.
Okay.
Ngafuna ke lokwenda ngakwenda 2 days bese ngishapha.
2 days nangiba ligcebesha ngive ngishaya elivalo ngoba ngibona ungathi lentiwa ngemshini. Waseke sofundzela kwenta ligcebesha nani lokunye?
Ngafunza leligcebesha umgaco ngifunze emuva ngawubuka ke wona nje ukubuka ngathi okay lokhu ngeke ungihlule. Ngacela ukuthi angendise ibhola lokwemabhola kuphela. Ngathenga emawuli lahlanganisa iflag yala kaNgwane. Ngahlanganisa kona denike ngoyibona iyaphuma ibhola. Wangifundisa ukuthi okay nawe inamathela emgacweni unamathela kaso. Uyaluka lapha endasi kuze kutole ngalamabhola like kanje ukuthi le bhola iphume ibe kanje uyihlanganisa kanjani then nalatu la kuze kuphume lokwetikisi lokho ukuthi nako ukwenda kanjani.
Okay.
Then ke ngakubona kuyahlangana kuyaphuma siyachubeka siyaphila siyathengisa. Imakethe uyafaka enkundleni yokuxhumana ku Facebook.
So nyalo wenda lemigaco nemacebesha kuphela.
Ngenda imigaqo nemacebesha kuphela.
Okay. Since uqalile ke uthi uqale kulomnyaka lophelile ehamba kanjani support yakho yini kuphila ngoba inhloso yakho ukuthi ukufundzele lokho bekuthi ukhona kuphila.
Cha sisiyabona lana kuyaphilika la. Inedina tothembeke customeni. Mina nje lo msebenzi lona umuntu lo South Africa. Lo odalakhe nawuthi umuntu akakufakele 50% deposit ngikhana uqala kusebenza. Uyifaka kanjalo nawe ke ufuna bese uyathembeka ukuthi okay nganalanga nali nalithi customer mhla 27 mhla 27 ufuna lo msebenzi ubuphelele ngoba vele umsebenzi wethu lo bawusebenzisa ngema weekends ukuthi siyathi ukuthi weekend umuntu unemicimbi wakhe ufuna ahlobile yebo yes.
Alright lelo uthi wafundzela khona labakufundisa khona ukwenda kanjani bobhadala noma bayanikela nje kulamanye masadi ukuthi bawafundzise?
Cha ke sisi angizayeke sebanikile ngambhadala almost 700.
Okay.
Lengambhadala kusisi ngase sengithengela mina imaterial shothi nje roughly 1000 uyanela.
Okay.
Ngoba uthenga imaterial yakho uqale nga 5 colors we flag yakangwane then iki 100 rand lo 5 colors lo uthenga insambo uthenga tinyalithi takho uthenga naleli bhola yilisinga wendele ukuthi utokhona phela ukuthi naso sekhaya sowedwana ngoba sisangakunika la but naso sekhaya utocubeka ngani uyakhona ke ukuthi uchubeke nawo sekhaya 1000 uyanela.
Okay, naku ke umsebenzi wakho uyawenda ema designs akho aba kanjani noma usakhona maybe design letsite nangitane yami design as a customer yakhona ningendela?
Ngiyakwendela nje ngoba ungazulethe ini ngidakwenda mina lokhu khanzi ukuthi kukhethwe customer ngindela le customer nje lo msebenzi lona so wathi ucela ama butterfly yini nema crown ngamindela kanjalo njengoba shito wanginika nema colors akhe then sengiyathi okay le color le kufuna ngihlanganise kanje ngoba yini wakuthi ngicela red yellow black na gold na white then into sesiyabona ukuthi ukufaka kanjani le but lento kuphume lapha le msebenzi wale customer.
Okay. Ngiyakova uthaqala last year but nangibuka ngive ngazi ukuthi sone iminyakana solo uwenda lo msebenzi.
Demo ukwenda demo full experience.
Okay. Yini lena lecugcutela onke malanga ukuthi yathi kuthini le kwenda futhi ungadi soli ngekuthi awuvukeli kamuntu but ufocusa ngomsebenzi wakho lo wendako ngetandla takho. Yini lena lecugcutela each and every day ukuthi yathi kuthini makhosazana lo msebenzi wakho lo khona la utakufixa khona?
Okay ukuthi le mali ifast le lona ngifast cash lo nakasi nje umuntu washa nje wangena licingo la wathi ngicela ungendele licebesho noma yisi ngicela licebesho likhona le available mina ngiyawenda ukuthi maybe lang 5 lang 6 abe available ngive ngento umsebenzi le customer ngiyathi ukuthi okay 100 rand lo nangimixa le ngibuya na 100 rand ngiyayibeka ngive ngiyachubeka ngalana lo msebenzi awumi nale mali ngoba le mali ngiyayidzinga lokuthi ngize ngivuke uyabo ube active upheke udle kufuna uyabona le mali bekhona ukhona lokuthenga loto kudla ivuchubeka usebenza khona bese siyatendela naloko na ukhetha kutibekele uyabeka ngale ndlela obeka ngayo uyabo but nje ngifast cash lo.
All right. Ibusiness yakho ngiyathemba ukuthi ufisile ukuthi ikhule right. Kulo kwenda amagcebesha nemigaco yini lenye lofise kukhona kuyenda?
Ngisachubeka nje indlamu ngisayicale kancane ngisathenga nje le tinfo tayo ngoba nayo ifuna isikhathi sayo nalomgaqo lomkhulu waleti indlamu. Ngisafuna isikhathi sako lokho but ke ngidakwenda ngoba lokho material wakhona nje kukhona ukuthi ngisengakaqali nje from ngisengaka-scratch nje but nje kukhona ukuthi ngabeka but ko ngase sengiyahlanganisa-ke nase ngithole isikhathi ukuthi sengicedze umsebenzi wecustomer maybe sesikhathi sami nje ukuthi kude umsebenzi lo ngifushako then sengiyathatha ngibeka phasi ngithatha isithombe ngibekala ngoba nawe sokwende lokhu waqala nje wabhida anything lelandzelako le concerning bidding angiboni ukuthi kungakwehlula.
Okay, le ndlela okhuluma ngayo sengize nami ngiyadiva ukuthi uyathi futhi uyadibambelela mani inceke emagcebesha nawe songacala uwafunze nakumakhosazana sokhona officeleni ngibasida labanye kubafundzisa labanye labakubukelayo nje nyalo bayeva ukuthi shothi lapha kuningi lengakufunza kumakhosazana ngoba uthi wathatha emalanga nje lamabili kuphela wabena sekayati lento officeleni ngibasida labanye
lo ufuna ukuthi asitakale ngiyamsida mnundu khona nje labaningi ngiyabafundisa but ukhanje ukuthi umuntu uyavilapha lento utokwenza akahawukeli athi ngalivivani uyabona asingicela umfundisi ngithi hayi buhlale phasi uthenge nje ibuhlalo bakho bese uyabuyihlala phasi ngoba mina ngeke ngizungunikete bami nami bami ngiyabusebenzisa yabona abuthenga ahlale phasi uthi na umshala sonel customer unangayo emagcebesha athi kude awulicedzanga lela akalicedzanga so phela sebuvile uyabona linako labahluphanga kulabanye labaningi ngidinge umuntu ngiyamfundisa ngafuna kufunza nedi nje nawo tokuthanza ungahawukeli kuthanzi kuthi ngoma ngabe wonile uyabothi sola but selona ke lalisavaleke ulichacha uje kubuyelele la one khona ungabi nenkinga yichacha ngoba labanye bese bakhutshwa ngilokuchacha kanti kuncane nalokuhlala.
Okay. Kukhuthatha ke labanye bantwana bemaswati laba incenye nabo baphelelwe ngumsebenzi noma sebasicedzile isikole after high school sohledi kude la kwendako ungamkhuthatha uthini?
Ngisho ukuthi yati ukuthi akusithi sonke vele siphiwe kufundzeni uyabona nami nje angifundzanga ngafika kuphi but ke ngiyakhona kuphila ngaloku lengikwendako nawe yathi uthi ngoma ngawubhaka lifethi but nawe uyalibona lifethi cha ngilibhaka kancane liyanginika ukuthi hayi le mali angihambele lifethi lami tobuya mabili noma linye noma apheli chubeka lapho kakhulu ngiyogcine la kubhakeni lifethi nami nje ngengizingcine la ngenteka ngisachubeki uyabona ngoba nje ngithina indlami ngimile nami nyalo.
Okay, kulaba fisile kukusita amakhosazana ukuthi ibusiness yakho ikhule nawe ugcine socasha lamanye emaswati ugcine so bafundzisa nalabanye mahala ungabacharge.
Angibacharge mina vele ngisibuto otifundzela nje ete atifundzele yena ahlulekele yena lo mnyathi ke ngihlula mina uma lile kuhlula ngoba nami naku ngihlelelana senda nawe la sohlulwa yini ke wena.
Okay, since ke uyabasida nawe labanye yini lo fise ukuthi laba sibukela njengamanje bangakulekelela ngayo ukuthi igcine ikhule kahle ibusiness yakho?
Yathi mina ngingathanda shame ukuthi nabas lomunye nakafise kukusita maybe financially because ibuhlalo siyabuthenga lapha edolobheni nje budulile nasibuthenga ngalendlela ngoba umucu lona 6 walo wemicu ungu20 uyabona but na utiyele eThekwini wafika nje uthenga la maphaketi lokho uyayibona le profit uyabona other than lokuthenga ngakancane ufuna uthenga kancane but usebende uyibeke le mali imali ke ayibekeki sonke siyakwathi lokho uyabeka nje ukuthi uphindze kusasa kuvela inkinga uthatha imali uyabona ukuthi basi sibe financially maybe asite financially lokuthi maybe ayi khosi ngiyabekisa 900 rand ngiyabekisa ngihambe ngithengele ibuhlalo bami ngibe ngihlala phasi ngende ngoba mina vele yonke imali nje ngathola imali ngivele ngithenge ibuhlalo ngathi ihlala kahle nawe ibeke ngalo buhlalo ukuthi sothenga ibuhlalo uyabo.
Alright, sisida ke stock supporter course ushito asinema designs noma ngabe ngitana yiphi hayi cha utangishayela ibe right
ngiyakwakhela nje sisingaphandle kwenkinga.
Simfola kanjani ke course na custom supporter?
Tinombolo ta course 776 26 95 ngiswazi MTN bese swazi mobile kuba ngi 79 349437 tinombolo tami lapho la customer la lingithola khona nje kuthi hayi ngicela ngendele naku uyangisendela na ka WhatsApp le WhatsApp akho ngiswazi MTN uyangisendela isithombe sakho senifo yakho loyifuna ukuthi ngicela ungendele naligcibe channel khona nje lengike ngabendela eSwatini High Education Council basenda nje just the pick le pick nje basicela igcibesha lika so endingalaka ubabhalile lapha phasi lama abbreviation ale info yabo ukufakela lapha phasi nebaka Max Steel lapha nabo bengibendele ke nabaya lapha eshowini nami so ngawakhana khona sawafaka labo emla Sicela nje nisupporteni ma-customer. Nibe ma-customer nje nisupporteni abafuna kufunza batawufunza kude inkinga. Kude umona wekufundisana nokunikana lwati. Lwati liyathelelana vele.
Lo ngaphela ngakuyahlola nebakithi thina sifisile ukuthi siqhubeke sikulethele bosonkhondla nalaba labendayo nemisebenzi etandla. Kepha-ke isikhathi sithi cha hayi namuhla. Kepha-ke kuleli veta usitawuqhubeka sibuye nawe ungayendi lemfu yakho ukuthi utawubukela nje kuphela unatandla nenkondlo sola kwathi kwenda cici sola kwathi kubhala ngisho stanza sinye. Mina ngiyala ngawe Mosi. Sitabonana embukele viki letayo ngaso isikhathi esifana. Goodbye and God bless.